In this practice set, we will learn to construct the triangles given two angles and the included side. Practice set 4. A. Construct the triangles of the measures given below. First, in triangle SAT, length AT is equal to 6.4 cm. Measure of angle A is 45 degree. Measure of angle T is 105 degree. Let us draw the rough figure. Let us take base as AT, that is 6.4 cm, and add the given information as per the question. Let us start the construction. First, draw the base using the scale, measuring 6.4 cm. Name the base as A and T, that is 6.4 cm. Then take a protractor and place it on point A and mark 45 degree. Then draw a line using a scale and write measurement of angle A is 45 degree. Then again take a protractor and place it on point T and mark 105 degree. Then draw a line using a scale such that it intersects the other ray. Draw arrow for both the ray and name the ray as M and N. Name the point of intersection as S. Add measurement of angle T is 105 degree. Question number 2. In triangle MNP, length NP is equal to 5.2 cm. Measure of angle N is equal to 70 degree. Measure of angle P is equal to 40 degree. So let us quickly draw the rough figure. Let us take base as NP, that is 5.2 cm, and add the given information as per the question. First, draw the base using the scale measuring 5.2 cm. Name the base N and P 5.2 cm. Then take a protractor and place it on point N and mark 70 degree. Then draw a line using a scale and write measurement of angle N is 70 degree. Draw arrow at the end of the ray and name it as XN. Now place the protractor on point P and mark 40 degree. Draw a line using a scale such that it intersect each other. Draw arrow and name the ray YP and write measurement of angle P as 40 degree. Name the point of intersection as point M. Homework. In triangle EFG, length FG is equal to 6 cm. Measure of angle F is equal to 65 degree and measure of angle G is equal to 45 degree. Question number 4. In triangle XYZ, length XY is equal to 7.3 cm. Measure of angle X is equal to 45 degree and measure of angle Y is equal to 95 degree. In this practice set, we will learn to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. Practice set 5. Construct the triangles according to the measures given below. First, in triangle MAN, measure of angle MAN is 90 degree. Length AN is equal to 8 cm and length MN is equal to 10 cm. So let us first draw the rough figure. Let us take base as AN and add the given information. Angle A will be 90 degree. Now start with the construction. First, draw base using the scale. It should be 8 cm. Name the base as AN, that is 8 cm. Then place the protractor on point A and mark 90 degree. As we know, right angle triangle measures 90 degree. Then draw a line using a scale and name the ray as PA. Draw arrow at the end of the ray. Show measurement of angle A is 90 degree. Now measure 10 centimeter with compass on scale. Place the steel head of the compass on point N and draw an arc on ray PA. Draw a line to join point M and N. Name the point as M. Add the measurements of its size as per the rough figure. Question number 2. In right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU is equal to 5 cm. Length ST is equal to 4 cm. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle. Segment SU is the hypotenuse. Therefore, measurement of angle T is equal to 90 degree. Let us quickly draw the rough figure. Take base as ST, that is 4 cm, and add the given information. Next, draw measurement of angle T. First, draw base using the scale measuring 4 cm. Name the base as S and T, that is 4 cm. Place the protractor on point T and mark 90 degree. Then draw a ray using a scale. Draw arrow at the end. Name the ray as VT. Take a compass and measure 5 cm on scale. Then place the steel head of the compass on point S and draw an arc on ray VT. Draw a line to join point U and S. Name it as U. Add the measurements of its sides as per the rough figure. Homework. Question number 3. In triangle ABC, length AC is equal to 7.5 cm. Measure angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Length BC is equal to 5.5 cm. Question number 4. In triangle PQR, length PQ is equal to 4.5 cm. Length PR is equal to 11.7 cm. Measurement of angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Question number 5. In this question, students should take example of their own and practice construction of triangles. Practice set 6. Write the names of pairs of congruent line segment in the given figure. So here in this figure, as you all can see, there are line segments given. So here with the help of the compass or divider, we have to write the names of pairs of congruent line segment. So first, let us keep the steel head of the compass on point G. And let us measure this line segment, that is GM. Now we have to measure which line segment is equal to line segment GM. Let us see this line segment, that is line segment GB. So here as you all can see, it is not the same. So let us try another line segment. Let us go to the next one, that is line segment GR. Okay, so as you all can see that GM and line segment GR measures equally, which means they are congruent. So our first answer is segment GM is congruent to segment GR. Now let us see the second line segment. So now let us start with the another line segment. Take for example, we'll take the next line segment as GN. So now here it is set. Now we have to see which another line segment is congruent. Let us check this line segment. That is line segment GD. As you all can see, this line segment is not the same, so it is not congruent to line segment GN. Now, let us see line segment GE. Yes. Now here, as you all can see that line segment GN is congruent to line segment GE. So our second answer will be segment GN is congruent segment GE. So students, next two pairs of congruent line segment are for homework. You have to write the names of the pairs. Practice set 6. On the line below, the distance between any two adjoining points shown on it is equal. Hence, fill in the blanks. Now here, as we can see, the distance between any two adjoining points is equal. So here, the distance between every point is equal, that is 1 centimeter. And on the basis of this line, we have to fill in the blank. For that, our first question is, segment AB is congruent, dash. Now here, on this line, we have to see where is segment AB. It is here, segment AB. Now, the segment AB is congruent to which point? It can be either BC or it can be either AW. Any answer is correct. But here, I choose as segment AB is congruent to segment BC. Second question. Segment AP is congruent, dash. Now here, we will find out where is segment AP. Segment A and P. So as we can see, there is distance over here. Let us calculate the distance between these 2 points first. That is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So any distance which is equal to this distance is congruent. So let us take from W and Q. Let us see the distance between them. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. On this line, you can choose any other distance, but I prefer choosing this. So, the second answer will be segment AP is congruent to segment WQ. The remaining questions are for homework. Practice set 7. Some angles are given below. Using the symbol of congruence, write the names of the pairs of congruent angles in this figure. So, as you all can see, there are 4 figures given over here. And angles are shown in every figure. Here, we have to find out that which angle is congruent to which angle. So, first, let us take this angle. In this, you can see that angle AOB is how much? 45 degree. Now, in this only angle, which is the another angle who is 45 degree? This is 30 and the remaining one is 15. 30 plus 15 is again 45. So, and one more thing you can see here, that it is the angle bisector over here. So, angle bisector divides the angle into 2 equal parts. So, if this is 45, then this is also 45. In both the way, it is confirmed that these 2 angles are 45 degree. So, our answer will be, the pair of congruent angles are as follows. First is, angle AOB is congruent to angle BOC. Now, let us move to another one. As we know that angle AOB is 45 and angle BOC is also 45. Now, among these 3 figures, which angle is 45 degree? Yes, this figure, that is angle RST. It is also 45. So, our next answer will be, angle AOB is congruent to angle BOC is congruent to angle RST. So students, you have to write the name of next 2 pairs. Next 2 pairs are for homework.